next year, pwede na natin pasok to sa GPL.
Yes.
Okay, so
3 divisions.
because we have 3 divisions na next year for GPL. This year we had like 2 division pa lang, division A and B pa lang, but we do plan to have a age group for that. So yeah, yun pala. At saka yung Sangley Point na
Yes.
high school din, at saka retail, they wanted to join as well. So all of this, binibigyan namin importansya naman. And hopefully they have the same opportunity also to join the event next year.
Can I add? I'll just add. Kasi sa collegiate level, we work in close coordination with the CHED. Kaya when we started this after the pandemic, we were really being guided by the CHED. Pagdating dito sa high school